Happy Heroes Day, Jamaica! Now, as we celebrate our heroes, it's a perfect time to discuss birth certificates, late entry of name, and births as these relate to our nationality. Please go ahead, like and subscribe to this channel. We know that a lot of people in the diaspora and in Jamaica need their birth certificate to conduct certain business or for immigration purposes. There are many persons who are not tech savvy to do the online process, which is very simple, hassle-free, and saves time for us. And for some persons, they literally don't have the time to go to and from RGD, and they just need to get their birth certificates. We have you covered. Talk to us. Let's get down to business. Jamaican law dictates that registration be done within the first 6 weeks of birth. Every birth that occurs in Jamaica must be registered with the Registrar General's Department, RGD. This affords individuals the right to an official identity and nationality. So, if you don't have a birth certificate, you cannot prove your nationality or official identity. Registrations are done at hospitals after delivery. This is called bedside registration and is done before the mother and child leaves the hospital at a minimal cost. This cost can be anywhere between 200 to around 400 Jamaican dollars. The registration officer records the details of the birth, such as the mother's and father's details, the name of the child being born, date of birth, and the name of the medical professional who assisted with the delivery of the child. In recent times, in order for both parents' details to appear on the birth certificate, both parents have to sign off on the details. So if the father does not sign within the required time, his details will not be on the birth certificate unless it is added through the addition of father's particulars process. Once registration is done, a registration receipt is given to you. This receipt is very important and should be put away carefully, or what we suggest is that you take a picture of it so you can always have the information at hand just in case. What if you were born at home? Then either your parents or relatives or anyone present at your birth would need to visit the Registrar General to submit the relevant information for the birth to be registered. Then your parents will have to finalize the registration process. Now that you are registered, what happens next? When a birth is registered, the Registrar General assigns a birth entry number. This is a special individual number that is used to identify each child's birth registration record. The unique entry number tells the parish, the district, and the sequence of birth registered in the year the child was born for a particular district. You or anyone you authorize will be able to use this information to apply for your birth certificate. In cases where your name was given during the registration process and there were no changes, you are entitled to a free copy. This is for children born after the year 2011. What happens if you were registered but not named? Children who are registered but not named within a year of birth will have to be named through the late entry of name process. This process can take 4 to 6 weeks on application, or 7 to 10 days, or 3 to 4 days depending on the service you choose and pay for. Other information changes and updates carry a cost. For example, addition of father's particulars attracts an additional cost and correction of errors. Don't worry, we will do a video on these processes. the event that your birth was not registered 3 months up to 1 year after you were born, a close relative or someone having knowledge of your birth will need to sign the registration form as an informant. If you register 1 year or any time after that year of being born, then this is considered late registration. When this happens, the parents of the child, a relative, normally 2 relatives, or any other person who was present at the time of the birth should either visit an RGD office where a late registration application is made, or you can authorize professionals like us who knows the process and can assist with the process to do the application on your behalf. Let me tell you, a lot of persons become frustrated because they don't understand or they really can't handle the process themselves. Nevertheless, the process has to get done so you can have a national identity. We are here to help ease the frustration. If this video was helpful, please go ahead, like and share. Until the next video, take care.